Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start the most demanding topic in .NET, which is SignalR, and we will create a real-time based stock market website using SignalR. Or this will be for 5 videos of this course, and within 4 5 videos we will learn and we will able to work on the real-time web applications, or you will get an idea about that how the SignalR works and what's the basic things about SignalR, or many more things. And even while you finishing this course, you will be get a brand new project for your resume as well, so that you can mention this real-time web application in your resume. And the project is you know it very well that it is stock market based website. There we will get the real-time updates and the prices and the graphs as well. And this project is already created by me here, and I will tell you that how we can build this project again. And from the basics, I will give the idea about the SignalR, and what are the hubs, and how do we create the hubs. And after this we will work with the JavaScript as well. And we will know the differences between that, how we use the uh, WebSockets in the SignalR as well. Okay, so there are so many things about SignalR, and this project is already built by me. Okay, and I will make this project again for you and in front of you, so that you will get to know that how this project works and how the project will be created by you as well. And if I run this project, then you will see uh, that how the project is looking like, so that uh, you will get the motivation to learn and to finish this course entirely. Or you will definitely able to create such kind of applications as well. And let me show you, or let's start this application, so that you will see that how the this application looks like and how the things are working here. So yeah, the project is running. So this project is started now. Or in this way you can see that the pricing is changing at the real time. And with the real time updates you can see the changes in the graph as well. So it is the real time stock market website. Or we have 8 stocks, and with the 8 stocks every second, so you can see that the price, the fluctuations in the prices, and even the fluctuation in the graph as well. Or you can see that I have applied the filter as well. And suppose I want to filter this stock, then you can see that it is also working with the filtration as well. So I hope you get an idea about that, what we will build in this course. Or this course is definitely make you to understand that what the signal are, and what's the thing behind of such kind of projects. Okay, and many people always afraid to work with the real-time projects, or because they don't know the WebSocket and the signal as well. So here you have chance to learn this thing in the .NET. And it's a big opportunity for you as well to learn and to brush up the things with the signal R. Okay, and this is the exclusive package of the .NET. And even the 95 .NET developers that don't know that how to use the signal R in the web application